So in this question we have two statements given. First is HDP is a form when addition polymerization of ethene takes place in a hydrocarbon solvent in presence of a catalyst Zinkler-Natta catalyst at a temperature of 333 Kelvin to 343 Kelvin and under a pressure of 6 to 7 atmosphere. And second statement here says HDP consists of a linear molecules and has a high density due to a closed packing, and it is used for manufacturing buckets and dustbins and bottles. So we have to find which is correct option regarding these statements. Which we have to find which of these statements are correct. So based on NCERT books, HTP is given. It is formed when addition polymerization of ethene takes place in a hydrocarbon solvent in presence of catalysts such as triethylaluminum and titanium tetrachloride, which is Zeiger-Natta catalyst, at a temperature of 334 Kelvin to 343 Kelvin under a pressure of 6 to 7 atmospheres. Also, it says that HTP thus produced consists of linear molecules and has a high density due to closed packing. It is chemically inert and more tougher and harder. It is used for manufacturing buckets, dustbin, bottles, and pipes. So both of statements justified here, where statement 2 is the correct explanation for the statement 1. So correct option is 1.